Alright, so you read the title and you're a small creator and you're wondering how to actually make money when you don't have over 1,000 subscribers and you just want to actually make money off of the content that you're producing, which is very reasonable. You know, not everybody wants to get rich, but it's at least good to see progress financially off of your videos and know that there's going to be a future for you. So if you're like me, and you can see here, we're on my channel, and the main reason I want to show you this is so that you know for sure I'm not making any money off of YouTube, and yet I'm still making money off of my content. And so if you're new to the channel, I'm a Linux content creator. I talk about free and open source content and mainly just about everything Linux and sometimes gaming related. If you'd like to see another video of mine, click up somewhere, I think it'll be over here, the card that pops up in the corner. Check that video out, open it up in a new tab, come on back. And so if you want to make some money off of your content, the best thing that you can do is duplicate your content onto another platform that you can immediately start monetizing. The entire time that I've been doing YouTube, I haven't made $1 off of any of my videos. However, in the time that I've been syncing my content over to LBRY, which I'll go over here and show you my channel over on LBRY, my channel has a little bit over half of the subscribers, and by little I do mean very little, over half of the subscribers that I have on YouTube. However, if I go over here and show you this video, it has 2 views on YouTube. When I go over here to Odysee, oh, that was, I don't know if you could hear that, but that was my dog. He's now slamming on the door. He wants out. But over here, I have 40 views. So my content actually does better on Odysee.com or LBRY. I will link the description down below for this article here, which explains the LBRY YouTube program and how you can sign up and get your YouTube account synced up over to LBRY, so all of your videos will just, when you post them to YouTube, they'll get synced over to LBRY and you don't even have to worry about it. It'll pull over your description, your tags, all of that for you. So this is an extremely simple process to go through, and there is absolutely no reason that you shouldn't do it. And here's my biggest plus for LBRY. I've made over $100 in the time that I've been posting my content to the platform compared to YouTube. And my YouTube channel is much older. I've actually deleted a whole bunch of really old videos because they were extremely cringy. Not that the ones that are still up on my account aren't still cringy. Either way, LBRY is a platform that you absolutely need to be on. As a small content creator, you'll actually see more progress on it, and I haven't even gotten into the real selling points of LBRY. For one, it's a decentralized platform, so you get paid in the cryptocurrency that the platform's based off of. I don't care what you think of cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter. It's not that hard to set up an exchange account and just send the money that you get in LBC into a bank. It's not difficult. The only thing about it is it's time consuming because you have to submit, like, you know, you have to take your photo ID, stuff like that, to verify your identity so that you can send it over to your bank. It's really not that big of a deal. The main thing about LBRY is it is a decentralized platform that respects your privacy. There's not somebody that's going to control your videos. Your videos aren't going to get taken down. And in the event that something happens to YouTube down the line, when, like, let's say you make it big as a creator and you've got a whole bunch of money coming in through YouTube, if someday something happens to YouTube, you at the very least have a solid fallback. And in my opinion, I actually think LBRY will be a very solid competitor to YouTube, if not a better alternative, if not YouTube becoming the alternative to LBRY one day. I think LBRY is a fantastic platform, and I think it's going places. So as a small content creator, if you want to actually make money, I think you need to be on it 100%. So if you enjoyed the video, it helps you out, please let me know down in the comments below, and hit that like button, and come on over to LBRY and Odysee. Check me out over there. You can tip me over there, and that's how you can help support me. It does really help out a lot. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.